It's Kimya, and today I am just sharing that this candle was my inspiration to participate in the DIY Mommy's Fall Decor and DIY Challenge. Stay tuned. So when I think of fall, of course, I think of the changing leaves, pumpkins, acorns, chestnuts, all those warm things, but my favorite things are apples, apple cider. So I'm going to pull out my cable knit sweater, mugs, and enjoy some hot drinks, which I'm going to share a quick recipe with you, which is you're going to take some caramel, some apple cider of your choice, and some um, whipped cream that you can use, of course, any brand. And so here's a quick little tutorial on how you can make that. So now that I've finished being the Starbucks barista, which was an epic fail, I'm going to show you my little tray that I created as a DIY. So I purchased this tray at Target a few years back for, I believe, about $9.99. It was in their crafting section. You can stain this tray, paint it with other color you want. And I just filled it with some of my fall favorites. I tried to keep it muted but with some color. So at the bottom, I used some Spanish moss. I would have used some paper underneath the next time. Use some Dollar Tree pine cones here. They're scented. Also, some Dollar Tree leaves. I kind of picked out the ones that I wanted. I left the orange and the red in the bag, but they also do come with those colors. And some chestnuts, also purchased from the Dollar Tree. I think they come in a bag of maybe like 20 or something like that. And then these apples, one color I purchased from Michael's, and the other color I purchased from Walmart, and I can't remember. It's been so long. I don't remember which color came from which, but they came in a big thing. And then, of course, the textured Dollar Tree pumpkins are here in the beige color. And this was a fairly easy DIY, I guess you could say. It's just putting in. Oh, and there are some other leaves here on the side, on the corners. They also did come from the Dollar Tree as well. So since we're going to be having some fall dinners, for me, I am going to be doing some apple themed things. So for my personal dinner by myself, I'm going to do the drink that I showed you earlier. And for my spouse, for me and my spouse's dinner, I'm going to have some chicken apple sausage and also the drink. And then for my family, when we do our big dinner, I'm going to also use this tray, and I'm going to be serving the apple baked apple crisp, along with my drink. So these are my apple themed dinners that I'm going to be using this tray for. So until those times, I'm going to wrap this up with some saran wrap so it doesn't get messed up. Also, this is the apple cider that I like to use. I tried something different in the recipe earlier, but it didn't really taste good. So if you get this brand, they sell it at on the stores. I also believe Mott's has some apple cider, and of course the Tarani. Now this caramel is so good. It almost tastes salted, but it's really, really good. So my candle was the inspiration for this tray, and of course for my drink. I've never seen a candle that flavor, so I hope you enjoyed my quick recipe and my quick tutorial. Don't forget to check out the full playlist for the DIY mommy. The link will be below. Remember, I am just sharing